What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. This video I want to show you how to integrate 1 over sine to the power of 4x dx. So what I can do, I can have 1 over sine squared x times 1 over sine squared x dx. I can write it like that, and then I use integration by substitution. Consider u as cotangent x. So du will be negative 1 over sine squared x dx. So 1 over sine squared dx is going to be negative du. Then here we have u squared equals to cotangent squared, which is cosine squared divided by sine squared. So u squared is going to be 1 minus sine squared x divided by sine squared x, which is going to be 1 over sine squared x minus 1. So u squared plus 1 is going to be 1 over sine squared x. So 1 over sine squared is u squared plus 1. Then I need to start integrating. So negative, I put it behind it, so it's going to be u squared plus 1 du. That makes it negative u cubed divided by 3 plus u plus a constant number, and u is cotangent, so it's going to be negative cotangent cube x divided by 3 minus cotangent x plus c. So that's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.